Bro. Taken. I have 5v1. So me against 5 other people. Flip cup. Did I lose? Nah. I fucking won.
This is street radio for unsung hero. Riding in the Rego, trying to stay legal. My daughter found Nemo, I found a new primo. Yeah, you know how we do it for the people and the struggle of the...
So, it's now Monday of our Cuban trip. What a great week. I don't even know if you can see the thunderstorm or rain.
Wow, this guy missed me, man. Look at that.
We're eating outside, yo. Surprisingly stuffed. Pretty good. We're just chilling until we go out tonight. Digesting our food. And hopefully, tonight will be a good night.
Hey, jumpers.
Yeah, we're.
Last night. How we go?
Let's see who yaks.
We're gonna place a bet who yaks first tonight.
It's gonna be Josh.
All my Montreal friends.
I want to say.
Yay! You want this much or no?
I know. Hey.
The side of soul.
Let's go.
Let's go, Joe! Let's go, Joe!
The next day.
So it's finally time to go home. I basically lost my voice last night. I don't even know. We're gonna start packing. And then wait for our bus to come and pick us up. And then go home to the plane. Be home by like 1 a.m., 2 a.m. I don't know. So I went to my boys' other room. I'm gonna go check on them right now. Oh shit, yo. Oh shit. Victim number 1, dog. How are you guys doing?
You're doing fantastic.
Good, man. It's finally the last day. Everything's Gucci right now.
Hey there, glad to be on the show.
Hey, welcome to the NVO show.
Hey.
Alright. So, we just... Wow. Stop ruining my fucking show.
Spanish lesson at 3 and dancing lesson at 4.
Okay,
Down
anyways.
for dancing lesson.
Let's do it.
So, Joe, we just went to Cuba for a whole week now. Out of 10, how was Cuba?
I could give it more. I'd give it like a fucking 200.
Wow.
It's pretty lit.
200. How about for you, Ribs?
Give it a hard 9.5.
9.5. Wow. Now tell me, where's that 0.5 at now? Why is it not at 10?
Because the food is suspect
Yep, I agreed.
and the dookies are real.
And the dookies are real. That is correct.
8, 7.5, 8, 7.5. Like if it's just the place, I'll give it 8. Mainly because of the fucking food.
Anyways, if we were to go to the next trip, guys, where would you want to go?
Road trip. Road trip.
Road trip.
We could go.
Pennsylvania.
What?
Hamilton.
Wow.
Wow.
Mississauga.
No,
Montreal.
Montreal.
Montreal. We probably have like enough mosquito bites to connect the dots.
Show me your left leg.
If I can
Can connect the dots to form a leg.
look at that already. Holy shit, bro.
Put that on my face.
We have stories.
We have stories.
We came with.
I think my favorite moment was on I-5V1.
That was dope.
That was fucking sick.
I don't know how I did that.
And
That's
you
my
recorded the
favorite.
reaction afterward. Right?
Yeah, I don't know why. How about your?
I can't even believe it.
I can't believe it.
Huh?
We know yours. We know both of yours.
You know,
How about yours, Jake? What was your favorite moment?
I don't have a specific one.
There's just too many. I rate it. Time to say goodbye. So, Cuba. Oh, we're still here in Cuba, but well, we're moving now. No, actually, yo. Jeez. Wow. What are you doing, bro? Here. I got you. Alright. So we're back. Toronto, 6. Finally made it home. Boys. How you guys feel? Back in Toronto, now we don't mind. Trying to find some food so we don't starve. Chilling with the homies, now we the crew. Maybe we should go get some home brews. Right home, it's tiring as fuck. Probably gonna get something to eat, like Denny's. It's snowing. Oh, check shoulder. Look at that Lay's chip, bro. Anyways, shout out to the squad. Joel, Riv, and Jick. Cheese! Remember, stay Gucci, huh?